Hi guys, welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today and ready to make another easy family recipe. We're gonna be making delicious chicken legs and thighs in the oven, baked, super delicious, crispy with the skin and juicy in the inside. Literally just season the meat, put it in the oven, let it cook. That's it. Simple, easy. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys can make it as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy family recipes. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. And leave in the comments below what other recipes you want me to share. And if you're going to make this recipe. Love to hear from you guys as well. Now let's get started with this delicious baked chicken legs and thighs. Let's get started. Okay guys, in my bowl I have 4 pieces of leg quarters or chicken legs and thighs. I already cleaned it with vinegar and water and drained it. And I also made little slits in the middle of each, that way it can cook evenly. And I just made the slits with a knife. Now we're ready to season our chicken. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of my pink Himalayan salt. And of course the salt is to your liking and to taste. Just going to move a little bit. That way my chicken is nice and seasoned. All of them. The one in the bottom as well. Alright, let's continue with the salt. And this is the secret ingredient, my lemon pepper seasoning. This is going to add so much flavor and I love it. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of that seasoning, the lemon pepper seasoning, on each of my chicken. And I'm also adding half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of paprika powder, and 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. And this is Italian oregano. Now with my clean hands, we're going to make sure we're going to massage every piece of the chicken. That way we know that it's well seasoned. That's what we want. And guys, don't forget to wash your hands after you touch the raw chicken, right? Alrighty, now we're going to place this in my baking pan. Like so. We're going to add our juice from the seasonings on top of each chicken leg quarters. And the last little trick for our skin to be nice and crispy is to add olive oil on top. About a teaspoon of olive oil. As you can see. That's it guys, we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour and 30 minutes or until our chicken is fully cooked. Look how good, juicy, delicious this chicken legs and thighs or leg quarters recipe. Hope you guys enjoy it and I will see you on my next video.